welcome. I am Nicole Arrington coming to you from Helena, Montana with Big Sky Cards. And today I have a fabulous card to show you using the Friendly Hello stamp set. This is a free celebration item. So if you spend, this one is a $100 item, but you don't just get this, you also get the, there's some coordinating paper that comes with this stamp set. So, you know, it's like a double win. If you spend $100, you can get this. I am also using, I'm using my celebration stuff. I'm using the painted labels die. So that's quite exciting. And then in the Greenery embossing folders, I just got to set things up out of the way. But I'm also using some designer series paper from the rainbows. This is also celebration paper. So let me just grab what that is and I will be right back. Alright, so here's the paper that comes with the Friendly Hello, the bird set. I'm calling it the bird set because that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing that lovely bird. Okay, and then it comes with this, let's see, I think I missed one even. Oh, well, we can do it this way. So it comes with this designer series paper, which is just, you know, really nice. Let's see if I can go this way. So I really liked it. I wish I could just get some more of the paper and not all the stamp sets, because I don't know what I'd do with more of those stamp sets. You know, but it's really cool paper. So we're going to be, I've got some of that, so I will be, what is this paper? It's called Friendly Hello, so I will be working with that. And then, this is the Sunshine and Rainbow paper. I mean, because they are coming out with the rainbow dies. Okay, but here, let's see if I can show you that. Isn't that so cool? Oh, you gotta, maybe I gotta bend more. Okay, more rainbow paper, polka dots, rainbow paper, rainbow. I mean, it's just fabulous like that. Okay, and then they got back sides. I mean, check it all out. I happen to be stashing all this paper, I think. So, you know, we're gonna go with it. So yes, I love it, love it, love it. So we'll kind of go ahead. I mean, I probably should get onto this card making business. All right, so I've got a piece of Bermuda Bay, and it is 8.5 by 5.5. I will fold it in half. Like so. Then, I mean, I've got this designer series paper I'm going to attach, but I also have some basic white, and they are 4 by 1.5, and my designer series paper is 3 by 4. And I'm going to just attach them to my card, if I can. Here we go. Okay, so my basic white, I have used the Greenery embossing folder to give it some nice little texture. Like that. Then I will cut that, or glue that down. So the only reason, I mean, you could have used a 4 by 5.25, but the only reason I did that was because of these embossing folders, and I could have done it twice, but then it just sometimes, you know, I was trying to ease my life and just do it once. So I will glue, see, I could even made this a quarter shorter. but I didn't want any chance of a gap. Okay, so we'll go ahead and glue this down. Like so. And voila. Next, we're gonna take our stamp. And I want that pretty little bird. We're going to stamp him in like so. Let's see. And then I'm going to get my memento. So this is Tuxedo Black. I'm just going to put them on here, like so. Nothing to it, right? Absolutely. Okay, so the fun part, or I find this the really hard part, we are going to color this bird. So I actually got Coastal Cabana because I don't have Bermuda Bay, but it's in the family. It works. And so I'm just gonna darken some of these feathers. Give his belly a little coloring, side of his head. And we'll go on to the lighter. Okay, there we have it. I mean, I'm looking at my paper and I'm just going, that might say Coastal Cabana on my blends, but boy, is that Bermuda Bay. Okay, then, I don't have early espresso in a brown. So I am just going to use my Stampin' Right marker. Come in and color the branch in brown. Like so. Where I ordered an early espresso. Maybe that. Alright, anyways. Then I've got Flirty Flamingo. No. Before I do Flirty Flamingo, we are going to do some Daffodil Delight. Followed then by some Old Olive. Okay, sorry. Okay, my darker, my lighter, meet somewhere in the middle. Oops. There we go. Thought it was all ready, but see, I wasn't. All right. Darker. This is going to be my card exchange card. We had to color something, so hopefully I like how this turns out. because I got to make 8 of them. The only thing I don't like is how these leaves are the way that they are, but you know what? We're going to see about putting some daffodil, or old olive, down the little veins and see if that, you know, makes me like that a little bit more. I can but try. Didn't come out too bad. Oh. So here it is. Not bad. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to attach yeah. Maybe I should have made him smaller. I don't know. But I wanted him to cross. Oh, because if I cut off a little bit here and I cut off a little bit here, that could work. That could work. All right. I'm changing my dimensions. Here we go. Cutting off a 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch on the other side. It'll all work. And then I can tell you what the dimensions are, because I'm not sure I did that. Alright, so this is 3 1/8. 3 3/8 by 2. And we're supposed to be 1/2 inch. Do they not sum up to 1? We want to make this 3. We're going to call it a good 3. Alright. Alright, by 2, 3 by 2. Then I need to trim this down because this will be 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. There we go. Alright, so now I can glue my bird down. And then, to give the bird some like frills from the painted painted label dies, I cut some of this edge give it a little bit of a frill, and I only need a little bit of this one, but we'll just trim it off. Trim off that extra. Like so. Get out my snips. All right. And I got a grand card. Ooh. Ooh, no, no, no. We are not doing that. We are coming to the land of pop-ups. Pop dots. Oops. Get back in there. Don't want you. You must stay there. Okay. Team that I need to dimension this. Let's just finish some of these. Some here, and here. Oops. See, now that I like that. Oh yeah. Okay, so popping it just gave it that little extra. Check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, I like it, I like it, I like it. And I gotta make 7 more of these. So look at that. So, there we have it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you would like any of the items I have demonstrated here for you today, I would absolutely love to be your demonstrator. You can shop my online store by using the link provided below. If you would like more information, you can always email me at bigskycardsnicole@gmail.com. That is provided below. But in addition, if you want to shop that online store, I do. If you keep scrolling down, I have that shopping list there provided for you. And then at the very bottom, I have the dimensions of everything I used for this card. So if I mess anything up, hopefully that should be corrected there. So you can definitely repeat this without even buying from me. I mean, how cool is that? On top of that, I love to hear from you. So I would love for you to leave comments. In addition, thumbs up. That always helps me know that I'm doing A, good cards, and B, more people can come to my website. What was I going to say? If you have any questions, you can put that in the comment section, and or else you can email me at bigskycardsnicole@gmail.com. That is provided below. And then my last thing I can offer you is check out my website, bigskycards.com, where you can purchase said card as a kit. And all you need is glue, and in this case, you would need your own set of markers. You do not have to have my blends, although they do help. More specifically, you know, this taken with teal to match the paper, but you know, we can work around that. But you don't have to cut, stamp, punch, die cut, emboss, design. But what you would get is you would get everything that you need, but glue. So you need to provide your own glue, and in this case, markers for this. But it would specifically state that you would need to be able to color that. So there you have it. Check that out, bigskycards.com. Thank you so much for watching. Check that out. And have a fabulous night. Bye.